Where can you learn how to make a difference in your life and the lives of others? Where can you find the specialized training and hands-on experience you need to start a new, in-demand career, along with plenty of support and flexibility? The answer? Trocaire College. For more than 50 years, Trocaire has educated compassionate, knowledgeable, and devoted healthcare professionals right here at our main campus in South Buffalo. Let us show you how at this place, careers of achievement and lives of purpose begin. Your challenging, comprehensive, and engaging Trocaire experience starts in the Anatomy and Physiology Lab. This is where you'll gain the foundational knowledge of human anatomy you need, no matter where your healthcare career takes you. There's more need than ever before for well-educated and highly trained nurses. At Trocaire, that means hands-on experience. Our registered nursing lab is a state-of-the-art lifelike simulation facility designed to give you a patient care experience that effectively prepares you for what you will encounter in the real world. The Radiologic Technology Labs feature the latest digital equipment with state-of-the-art imaging capabilities. The learning continues in our Diagnostic Medical Sonography Lab, where you'll gain the skills you need to perform a full range of ultrasound examinations. Echocardiography uses ultrasound technology to examine the human heart. Many of our students build successful careers in this area, and just like them, you'll learn by doing, using industry-standard equipment. In Trocaire's Surgical Technology Laboratory, our students scrub in as if they were in an actual operating theater, which makes sense because these are 100% accurate OR suites. These true-to-life learning environments are why our Surg Tech students are more likely to pass their professional certification exams and start their careers sooner. Nearby at the Seneca Street Extension Center, you'll find our massage therapy training facilities. In addition to classrooms, the Trocaire Massage Therapy Clinic is open to faculty and staff, offering students the opportunity to use their skills and techniques in real-world scenarios. This is the newly updated Margaret Wendt Center, which features the latest technology to help you get the most out of remote and on-campus learning. Everyone at Trocaire is dedicated to your overall success. From enrollment to graduation, we're here to support you every step of the way. One of the many places you can find help is the Advisement and Student Service Center. We use a case management model that encourages collaborative relationships between advisors and students. All of our freshmen and transfer students have access to a student service advisor to guide you and help you succeed. From course selection to childcare, they're here to help. At the Palisano Learning Center, we offer the tools you need for strategic learning and the skills fundamental to your success here and beyond. The PLC offers access to computers, Wi-Fi, and an open health sciences lab, as well as workshops, group study, and dedicated peer tutors. The Trocaire Library offers access to tens of thousands of academic and professional journals selected by our librarians, specifically for the Trocaire curriculum. The library offers online resources accessible from anywhere, and our librarians are always on hand or online to help you find the information you need. The Trocaire experience is also about finding a place where you belong. The Commons is the vibrant center of student life. It's where you can take a break, enjoy lunch, or get ready for that big presentation with your classmates. Or step out into the courtyard to breathe in the fresh air. Don't forget to visit the Bookstore, where you'll find the textbooks, supplies, and uniforms you need, plus some cool gear to show off your Trocaire pride. Now that you know where you can make your opportunity, we have one very important question for you. Ready to get started? Our admissions staff is here to help you take the next step. Want to visit campus or learn more about any of our career programs? Or discover how 97% of our students qualify for financial aid? Your dedicated admissions counselor is ready to answer all of your questions and guide you through the entire process. Careers of achievement and lives of purpose take shape here. Start your life-changing Trocaire College experience today. Visit trocaire.edu/start or call 1716-827-2545. We can't wait to hear from you.